celebrating January the 9th, Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee Day. It was on this day in 1967 that the biggest export volume of Jamaican coffee, 1,000 pounds in coffee bags, went to Japan. And so that's why we're commemorating this day, because this is the finest coffee in the world, and we don't know what we have in this world-class coffee. And so we really need to start to commemorate Jamaica's finest premium products, and we need to celebrate these products. We need to tell the world that we know what we have, we know what our treasures are, and we want the world to also appreciate the treasures that we have.
We also invited some folks, influencers, to come and learn how to brew and extract Blue Mountain coffee in what we consider to be an enjoyable way, but of course in an expression of quality. And so we use the pour-over method, which allows for individuals to create their own cup of coffee the way that they like it. It was very successful. The participants were very enthusiastic, and I think we had a wonderful morning.
We celebrate Coffee Day every day, actually, here at Cannonball, because we have our outstanding Blue Mountain coffee that we get from our old tavern, that we get from our Wallingfords. So every day we celebrate it, and we're actually doing specialty items right now for Pause for a Cause, where we are doing 2 different specialty coffees that proceeds go to Montego Bay Animal Haven, because quite frankly we always want to give back any way we can. So we celebrate it every day at Cannonball Café.